We'll guide you through how to choose between Notion and Trello for your project management needs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Notion website and explore its features. Notion is great if you're looking for a tool that combines note-taking, task management, and database capabilities all in one. It offers a highly customizable workspace where you can create pages, databases, and integrate various media. This makes it ideal for complex projects needing detailed documentation and collaboration. You can also use templates to get started quickly, which is perfect if you want a tailored setup for your specific needs. Now, head over to Trello's website and check out what it has to offer. Trello is based on the Kanban board system, making it excellent for visual project management. It's perfect if you prefer a streamlined, task-focused approach with boards, lists, and cards for organizing tasks. Trello is particularly user-friendly for teams who want to track progress at a glance, and is great for projects that need clear task assignments and deadlines. Remember, if you're working with a team that needs structured documentation and flexibility, Notion might be your best bet. However, if you need a straightforward, visual approach to task management, Trello could be the way to go. Consider your project complexity, team size, and collaboration needs when making your choice. Both platforms offer free versions, so trying them out could help you decide which suits your workflow best. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.